Hey, I'm Chuck. If you're bringing badness back, you're out of luck. Ain't no kung fu fighting doc, his name is Chuck. You'll never break or take him down, he's too tough. You'll never see him hit the deck when things get rough. Fair to say he's pretty cool, borders on invincibles. And superheroes rolled in one, our favorite son. And he's a chick. Fair to say he's pretty cool, borders on invincibles. And superheroes rolled in one, our favorite son.
Here you go, Wing.
Wow! Thanks! Oh, no, it's falling! Oh, no! It's falling! It's falling!
Huh?
Oh, I'm really sorry, Chuck! Oh, look, let me get you a drink. How about an orange as usual?
Okay.
A water and an orange for my friend, please.
Sure.
So then, he swallowed the pill, did he?
Well, I don't know for certain. All he did was put the drink in his mouth. Oh.
And of course he swallowed it. You're just really jealous because I was the one who put it in his drink.
No, you're the one who's jealous.
No, I'm not.
You are.
No, I'm not.
You
No,
are.
I'm not. No,
All
I'm not.
be quiet, the pair of you. Don't make any noise, because it's time for Betty Buys. Sweet dreams.
Huh? Yipes! Who's there? Rhinoceros punch! I have to get away from them. Speeding cheetah! Spider feet! Ah! No!
Chuck, wake up!
What? Huh? Oh, what a nightmare. It felt real.
Can say that again. I've never heard anyone shout like that. But don't worry, it was only a dream.
I'm afraid it wasn't just a dream, Wing.
I bet poor old Chuck didn't sleep a wink last night because of that little pill.
Bless him. Bless him indeed.
indeed.
But I also haven't rested, and I'm not about to start now. I'm going to keep stealing everything and anything I want. Let's go! Activate the super vacuum now!
Huh? What happened? Where am I?
You have to help us, Chuck. Dr. Mingo is stealing anything and everything he fancies. Chuck, can you hear me? Chuck? Chuck? Ah!
Oh no! Zombies! Ah! Spinning mole! Huh? Rhinoceros punch! Strike! Ha ha ha
Chuck, wake up! It's all over!
Another nightmare. This is all very strange.
Why? Were you dreaming about me?
This isn't a joke, Flick. Something really strange has been happening to me since I went to have dinner at McDuck's with Wing.
Maybe you've eaten something that disagrees with you. Or did you see anything strange, Wing?
No, not really. Although, come to think of it, I was served the drinks by someone who did look a lot like Pen.
What?
Aha! There it is! You've swallowed some kind of transmitter, which seems to make you have nightmares.
That blasted Mingo. Come on then. Take it out of me.
Well, actually, I can't. You'll have to do that when you go to the toilet.
What are you doing? What kind of pilot are you?
We're just carrying a lot of weight, Doctor.
Tons and tons of banknotes.
Statues, vases, gold sculptures,
And hamburgers.
and French fries.
Be quiet! I get the picture. Let's go home. But before we do, I'd like to give Chuck another funny nightmare.
Nothing. That nightmare pill is still inside my body. I can't get it out. I'm so tired. Ah! No! No! A mega robot! Armadillo shield! Uh-oh. I don't think I can take another hit like that. Speeding cheetah! I need more speed!
Wake up, Chuck! Chuck! Chuck!
Phew. That was really close this time. Thank goodness you woke me up, Flick.
I think it's time we pay Dr. Mingo's laboratory a visit.
Let's go!
With Chuck out of action, it's been really easy to get all this loot. I'm going to give him another nightmare to finish him off once and for all.
Did you see that, Chuck? He can control your dreams with that remote. Chuck? Oh no! He's fallen asleep. I think it's time for action.
Now, just to give him his worst nightmares ever.
Well, I've just given you your worst ever headache. That painting kind of suits you. Oh,
And you look pretty good as a statue.
Huh?
Welcome to the world of the nightmare, Chuck. I am going to give you the most horrific, the most horrifying, the most worrying, the most frightening,
No!
the most blood-curdling nightmare that you have.
Excuse me. Can I go to the toilet, please?
Yes, it's down the corridor, last door on the right. Watch him. As for you, I will recite you the sweetest, most tender, most romantic, most...
How do I get that thing out from my body? Aha! I've got an idea. Smoky skunk! Now it's your turn, Dr. Mingo.
Most love-filled, most beautiful, most...
oh, hurry up, Chuck! The doctor turned all soppy.
Hi-ya!
You wicked chicken!
Tomorrow, I want all that money and all this artwork back in its rightful place. Okay?
Ah, yes, in your dreams. Time has come, Chuck.
Oh no, no, no! Ah!
Huh? Ah! I've swallowed it! Ah! I'm so tired.
Right then. Time to go, isn't it, Flick?
Yes, it's getting late and we can see that the doctor needs a nap.
The zombies are attacking me! No! That's scary! No! No!
So, Flick, do you fancy a drink?
Are you trying to ask me out? In your dreams.
Dreams, did you say? No thanks.
Oh, it's a huge